Hello everyone and happy holidays from AVADirect, and also welcome to this week's AVARigs. To my left I have something that we did a video on, but the video kind of just got messed up in the process, so unfortunately we weren't able to use that video. But lo and behold, I have another one here with me. So this is an ASUS Zenbook. We'll get into all, the meat and the potatoes of what this notebook can actually do and a lot of its cool features. So let's dive right into it, shall we? So as I stated, this is an ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo. So I didn't tell you about the Pro Duo part, but I just did. So what's actually in this system? So in this system, you're gonna have an i9-9980HK. You're gonna have 32 gigs of DDR4 memory, and it also comes with a pre-installed M.2 1 terabyte NVMe drive. The screen, the first one, is a 4K resolution screen with the coolest addition to this notebook, in my opinion, the touchscreen, the bottom touchscreen. So this is probably one of the biggest selling points for me. And I feel like it would be a very big selling point for a lot of people for a lot of reasons. I also forgot to mention this thing does have a RTX 2060 in it, so you can play some games on it if you want. I'm not much of a mobile gamer myself, or gaming on a laptop, not mobile gaming, that's horrible, we don't talk about that here. Anyways, but yes, this notebook has a lot of features and can be used for a lot of things. What uses you might have, you might ask? Well, thank you for asking me, because I'm here to tell you. All right, so one of the biggest things with having both screens. So for me, and just talking to people around the office, what they might use it for, things of that nature. So I think the biggest use you could have this for is going to school for a lot of reasons. So you could have a Word document. Yeah. As Brooke said, YouTube up top, notes below. Or if you're trying to be a little bit stealthy, you can have the YouTube down here. It's not really stealthy. Either way, you're gonna get caught. Don't do it. Pay attention. But you could have your Word pad down here. And maybe if you guys are watching a video in class, you can have that up here, taking notes at the bottom. Art design, I think, is a very big one. Brooke agrees with me. She told me, she's like, yeah, Wesley, I totally think so. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna say that. So here I am saying that. You could get a stylus, and you could, I just think it would be really, really helpful. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, please be sure to tell me, so I know, and I can fix things in the future. But overall, this is a really, really cool notebook. I think it has a lot of use educationally, or in education use, in business use, even in gaming. I don't necessarily know. Brooke, do you know what you'd need two screens for on a laptop for gaming?
I mean, I could think of maybe some MMOs or something along the lines.
Yeah, maybe some MMOs, yeah.
Stats, or I don't know. A lot of them have all that extra information.
Okay. So what she said, because you probably didn't hear her, is MMO gaming. A lot of stats and things. Now, one thing I do want to say, so Battlefield back in the day, they did have a companion app. So Battlefield 4 specifically, so you could be a commander essentially, and you'd be able to see everything on the screen, the entire map and everything, and do various things. So assist your squads and things of that, radars, all that good jazz. I feel like that'd be a really, really cool feature to have. I don't think it's actually very relevant today. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, again, let me know. But I think this bottom part could serve purpose in certain games, but not all games. And the cool thing is this does serve as two separate screens. So you could have your game up on this screen, your Discord at the bottom, or maybe YouTube on the bottom. So that is, again, another very, very big selling point. So there's a lot of uses for this notebook. I'm not a big notebook person myself. I do prefer the traditional desktop experience, but if you are someone that is on the go, or if you are a student in college, this is definitely a great alternative. So as always, if this notebook is something that you might be interested in, there are two ways that you could reach out and inquire about one and or obtain one. So first, you can always go to our website at www.avadirect.com, or you can reach out to our awesome sales team and you can go ahead and give them the order number that is going to be the title of this video, and they will know exactly what you're talking about, the exact model and everything. Our sales team is really awesome, and during the holidays they are always dedicated to make sure that you're going to get exactly what you want. So thank you again for joining me. I know I've been gone for a little while. Brooke said she didn't miss me. It's fine. It's okay. You want Joe back? Go get Joe. I will go get Joe right now.
Go get Joe.
I'm out. We're done here. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Last week you guys had Joe, refresher. He's better than me. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. But I'm back, so yeah. I'm happy to be back though. Again, from everyone here at AVADirect, we hope you have a great holiday, and we hope you are all safe, and we hope you all get what you want for Christmas. But beyond that, thank you for joining me. I'm Wesley as always, and we will see you next time. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com